Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create variable products using a CSV file in Woocommerce, so let's get started. First, open Excel or Google Sheets and create a new CSV file. Add columns like ID, name, type, regular price, attribute 1 name like size, and attribute 1 value like small, medium, large. Make sure to set the type column as variable for parent products and variation for each child product. Once your file is ready, save it as CSV. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and open Products and then All Products. At the top, click Import and choose your CSV file. Then click Continue. On the mapping page, make sure each column matches correctly like attribute 1 name to attributes and regular price to price. Finally, click Run Importer. Once completed, Woocommerce will create your variable products automatically with all variations included. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.